real. Like and subscribe to my videos. So we have, I never tried these before, and then we have Chris Goldfish, and it's light, and what is this?
Airy.
This is crisp, and I never tried these before. And then we got a black white cookie flavor cream. And it's the yellow kind. Just to put the cookie. Oh, okay. Okay, I want to try. Which one do you want to try first? If you had these and you never tried them before, I will do these goldfish first. I'll say the Oreos last. And then, smell them. It smells good.
Oh.
I'll put them down. Let's try them. It's like goldfish, but
Do it taste like what you ate before?
It tastes like.
What's the same and what's different?
It's more crunchy. And I forgot the name, but it tastes like something.
The Cheez-Its?
No, or other kind of Cheez-It.
Oh, the crisp.
The other kind of crisp.
Oh.
Yeah,
I think I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that was kind of like the little chips on ad. Remember? Like a person, they love them. Like, yeah. Okay, it's pretty good. I like it. If you want to try them, it's crisp.
Goldfish.
Hmm?
Cheddar goldfish.
Cheddar goldfish is, and it's new. See, I have new again. I'll finish the rest. Good. Next, we're gonna do the black and white cookie flavor cream. I don't know if this is white chocolate or just. I think it is white chocolate. The original thing. I think it's just white chocolate filling melted and put on there. I don't know. Look it. It got the. Look, see, you see the mixed one?
Open it up. No, open the cookie up.
Oh, okay. Oh, it kind of stayed. It's not original chip, because it's like more sticky. Like the frosting. This is like not that sticky. Like it'll break apart and stuff. It have more white than brown. Okay, I'm gonna put it back together and then it's frosting. It's pretty good. If you want it's black and white cookies flavor cream. the frosting, the filling is actually frosting. It's pretty good. If you want this, you got.
So would you want me to buy them again? Yes.
Yeah, it's pretty good. This was like.
So if you had a choice between which one is your favorite out of those? That's your favorite? Oh boy, you're so funny. Alright.
Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
Dinah's World.
Dinah's World.